guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the most trendiest winter clothes that you can have to enhance your wardrobe, and I'm also going to share my most favorite pieces from my winter wardrobe, and you can have an idea of what to buy if you are looking to reinvent your winter wardrobe. And since a lot of the sites that I have sales going on right now, you can have the opportunity to shop them in less prices. I'm really excited for this video, and without wasting any further time, let's just begin with the video. So the very first piece that I'm talking about today is the piece that I used to hate the most in my childhood, and that is the turtlenecks. I know बहुत लोगों को turtlenecks पसंद नहीं होते because how they feel at the neck. They are one of the most versatile pieces of the winter wardrobe, and you can style turtlenecks in so many different ways. You can layer them with coats, jackets, shrugs, cardigans and whatnot, and even you can wear it as it is, like just this. And the best part, it goes with everything: skirt, trousers, jeans, or anything, denims, any color, they'll go with them. And I have my turtlenecks in 2-3 colors, and the first shade is this one. Another shade that I have is a turquoise blue kind of shade. You can see like this one. I also have one in black, and I'm also looking for one in white. You can invest in different colors of turtleneck. कहीं ना कहीं तो use हो ही जाते हैं. Turtleneck is a must have for every girl out there because it's gonna create your wardrobe a very versatile one, and you'll end up using it again and again. So it's really an investment. So these two are from Reliance Trends. I think I got them like years ago, and they're still going good, really good. Like I use them very often. Yeah, you can always check your local stores because they always tend to have such basic pieces. So yeah, moving on to the next piece of clothing that is like really in trend right now, and I'm talking about nothing else than cardigans. Yes, I know that when I used to be small, everybody used to wear cardigans, that they were really in trend. उसके बाद hoodies and jackets बहुत trend में आ गए थे, but अभी फिर से cardigans are back in trend. Actually the crop ones are like really in trend right now. Like you can see everywhere on Instagram people wearing crop cardigans and whatnot. So I didn't have a cropped cardigan, but I did have a cardigan that was like lying and nobody was using it. It was my grandma's, so I took it from her because she wasn't using it, and she wasn't even planning to use it. So I took it from her and chopped it and made it a cropped cardigan, and this is the coolest piece right now. Like look at the color. It's a very beautiful sea green color, and I really like it. The another cardigan that I am really hooked onto right now is this gray one. The gray color actually is my one of the most favorite color to wear in winters, like this one. And yeah, the gray color is also very versatile. You can wear it black, white, even the colors like pink and yellow looks awesome with gray color. So do invest in rich colors because they really make your wardrobe look classy. And yeah, so this is the cardigan that I was talking about, and it's been one of the most favorites. So this one was a gift, and I don't know where it was from, and it has this detailing all over the neck, like on both sides, as you can see. Except this detailing, it's all a very basic cardigan with these little buttons. Another of my favorite cardigan is this knitted cardigan that I got from West Side years back. It's this knitted fabric, I hope you can see, and इसके अलावा it has just this chain, and it's a really basic cardigan. Most of the times I wear it with denims, and it looks really nice. If you are not able to find a good knitted cardigan, आप इसको कहीं से भी बनवा सकते हैं because हमारे इंडिया में बहुत लोग हैं जिनको knitting आती है and बहुत अच्छे से आती है. तो this is the one of the cardigan, and I think it is a ready-made, but I do have seen people make similar kind of knitted patterns, and you can get yourself made that. And yeah, this is the plain cardigan. Another thing that can really make your winter wardrobe stand out is the steady patterns that has been very trending, and this is the teddy top that I got from Shein last year when Shein wasn't banned, and we still used to get so many saste kapde. So yeah, this is from Shein, and I got it in this color, and it was only for like rupees 200 to 300. I'm sorry, I know बहुत दुख होता है when we talk about Shein and the low prices that we used to get clothes in. Yeah, I can understand. And yeah, I got this, but iske alawa I also got one other teddy cord this year, and it's not from Shein, it's from other site, that is Urbanic. And I've also shown this in my other video that I did for Urbanic and Street Style store haul. And this is the coat. It's really warm, like one of the warmest coats I have ever had. And trust me, it's I got it for around rupees 900, and it's really nice. And there was this offer going on, buy one get one free on Urbanic, and I also got this and one other code that I'll be showing later in this video. So yeah, this is the code that I got, and it's so warm, has all these beautiful detailings, and it also has a pockets which is like really nice. So yeah, teddy coats are really nice, and a lot of websites are making this. I personally don't shop that much from H&M and Zara, but they do make really good pieces, and I know that they do have some really nice things in teddy collection as well. So yeah, you can look out for that, and you can even buy it when it goes on sale. That's what I do most of the times. So yeah, another winter wardrobe essential I must talk about is the denims. Not denim jeans, but denim jackets. And most of us now has denim jackets or has had denim jacket once in our lives, but instead of buying a normal regular denim jacket, you know, which we all love, and it's one of the most versatile pieces in our wardrobe too, you know, instead of buying it, you can buy a different color denim jacket. Like I have here this red color denim jacket. I got it last year, and it's a really bright color. Like, you look at this color, it's going to stand out from like a mile ago, and I've worn it like so many times, and always I felt like this color stands out a lot. So yeah, you can invest in different color denim jackets, and a lot of the companies make them. Like if you don't find it on Myntra or anything, I'm pretty sure Myntra, even Amazon has some really nice color denim jackets. There is this brand called Freakins. I got my white color trousers from that, and it also had so many different color denim jackets. And this is not a sponsored video, I'm just talking about because I really liked the white trouser that I got. Another thing that I really don't want to talk about, but I will talk about, and this is the leather jackets. Most of us have leather jackets by now, but in case you don't have, you really need to get one, because it's going to be a game changer. Whenever I am just confused about what to wear, like I really know I really need something warm and really need to feel good as well, I go for nothing else than leather jackets. You can just layer it, goes with everything out there, and it's really versatile. So get yourself a leather jacket. Coming on to the other thing, and this is knitted pullovers. You need to have some knitted pullovers in your winter wardrobe, because also they keep you so warm, but is also super stylish at the same time. Like the one that I'm wearing right now, it is this knitted pullover, and it goes up to my thighs. This is the other pullover that I have. It's also in red color. I do have a lot of stuff in red color. Yeah, as you can see, it's very well knitted, super smooth fabric, and I got it from a local shop. You can get it from Myntra, Ajio and whatnot, because they look really classy. You just need to wear it and you are good to go. You don't have to layer it with anything. You can obviously, but they look super stylish as it is. Another thing that is really in trend right now, especially it came out this year only, I think, and because I've never heard of it before this year, and that is a shacket. It's basically a mixture of jacket and a shirt. It looks like a shirt, but it's of a thicker material, so it can work as a jacket as well. So yeah, that is a shacket. I don't have one with myself right now. I wanted to buy one, but it was like always sold out on major websites like H&M. So yeah, I didn't have one, but you can definitely check it out. Another thing that I got this winters only, but it has been my favorite, it is this trench coat that I recently got from Urbanic, along with the green teddy coat that I showed you guys earlier, and it's been one of my most favorite pieces ever since. I don't know why we don't wear trench coat that much, but it is a total game changer. If you want to look classy, this is the way to do it. And this is in camel color, and it has these two buttons over here. This is how it looks. It is super classy, and the color itself goes with a lot of different things. Another basic but one of the most trendy and the warm piece that you can invest in this winter is a puffer jacket. I have one in the color black, and it's super warm. Like you can see the thickness of this jacket. It's this thick. You can shop that from H&M or Zara, and even Myntra has so many puffer jackets. I've also seen all of this stuff on Instagram thrift stores. You can try that out. Given you read all the reviews and you find that thrift stores to be genuine, you can definitely shop from them. But I so love this puffer jacket. It came with a detachable cap, and this is like one of the most warm pieces that I have in my wardrobe right now. So yeah, that was it with today's video. I hope you liked the stuff that I showed you guys. These are like some of my most favorite pieces from my own wardrobe, and I wear them day and night. Like whenever I go out, you'll definitely spot me in one of these because they're like so warm, comfortable, and at the same time really trendy. And I think everybody must have these pieces. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for the other video. I'm going to post more often on YouTube from now on, and I hope you guys are safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.